everyone! Today we are going to learn some more animals in Malagasy, but in surprise eggs. What's in here? Inunanyatu. Elephant! Elephanta! What's in here? Inunanyatu. Reindeer. Serfa. What's in here? Inunanyatu. Crocodile. Wai. What's in here? Inunanyatu. Bear. Bera. What's in here? Inunanyatu. Lion. Leona. What's in here? Inunanyatu. Monkey. Kiju. What's in here? Inunanyatu. Hippopotamus. Hippopotama. What's in here? Inunanyatu. Giraffe. Zirafi. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this video. See you later and Veluma!